Do you prefer spending time indoors or outdoors? Why? I'm more inclined toward spending time outdoors because it allows me to recharge my energy and connect with nature. Whether it's hiking in the mountains or simply taking a stroll in the park, being outside helps me clear my mind and reduce stress. I find that outdoor activities also provide a sense of freedom and adventure, which is something I truly value. That said, I do enjoy cozy indoor activities like reading or watching movies on rainy days. How important is it for people to have hobbies? Hobbies are integral to a balanced lifestyle because they provide an outlet for creativity and relaxation. Engaging in activities like painting, playing a musical instrument, or even gardening allows individuals to unwind and de-stress after a hectic day. Moreover, hobbies can help people develop new skills and even build social connections, which are essential for mental well-being. In my opinion, having a hobby is not just a pastime, but a way to enhance one's quality of life. Describe a skill you learned that you are proud of. You should say what the skill is, how you learned it, why you learned it, and explain why you are proud of it. A skill I'm particularly proud of is public speaking. I developed this skill through consistent practice and by participating in various debate competitions during my university years. Initially, I was terrified of speaking in front of an audience, but I decided to step out of my comfort zone and take on the challenge. I joined a local Toastmasters club where I received constructive feedback and learned techniques to articulate my thoughts clearly. What makes me proud is not just the ability to speak confidently, but also the impact it has had on my personal and professional life. For instance, I've been able to lead team meetings effectively and deliver presentations with ease, which has significantly boosted my confidence. Do you think children should learn practical skills like cooking or budgeting at school? Absolutely. I believe that practical skills such as cooking and budgeting should be incorporated into the school curriculum. These skills are essential for independent living and are often overlooked in traditional education systems. For example, teaching children how to manage finances from a young age can help them develop financial literacy, which is crucial for making informed decisions in adulthood. Similarly, learning to cook not only promotes healthy eating habits, but also fosters creativity and self-sufficiency. By equipping students with these skills, schools can prepare them for the challenges of real life. How do you think technology will change education in the future? Technology is poised to revolutionize the education sector by making learning more personalized and accessible. For instance, artificial intelligence can be used to create adaptive learning systems that cater to individual students' strengths and weaknesses. Additionally, virtual reality could enable students to immerse themselves in interactive environments, such as historical sites or scientific laboratories, without leaving the classroom. However, it's important to strike a balance between technology and traditional teaching methods to ensure that students develop critical thinking and interpersonal skills, which are equally important for their overall development